Radio plays our favorite song. We sing loud, we sing along. No maps, just the open road. Together sharing stories told. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Street signs blurring on our review. In the sky, the darkest blue. Laughing loud without a care. You and me, the perfect pair. Headlights shining just for us. World belongs to us, no fuss. Moonlit skies, we're hand in hand. Wanderlust, we understand. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Headlights shining just for us. World belongs to us, no fuss. Moonlit skies, we're hand in hand. Wanderlust, we understand. Midnight drive, we come alive. Come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. You and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Beneath the tree. Radio plays our favorite song. We sing loud, we sing along. No maps, just the open road. Together sharing stories told. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. You and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Street signs blurring on our review. In the sky, the darkest blue. Laughing loud without a care. You and me, the perfect pair. Headlights shining just for us. World belongs to us, no fuss. Moonlit skies, we're hand in hand. Wanderlust, we understand. Midnight drive, we come alive. Come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. You and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Beneath the tree.
In the quiet hours of early morn, a soft melody begins to form. Your smile lingers like a whispered tune in the hush of a waking afternoon. Every glance sparks a tender light, illuminating dreams in the gentle night. I pen these words with all my care, hoping you sense the love I share. This little love song written just for you hums the truth of what we always knew. Every note and every line says I'm yours and you're forever mine. A simple tune from heart to heart, a quiet love that will never myself smiling and nothing anyone can see. And I know exactly why, even if I don't say it. Little things remind me of the way you laugh and talk, and I replay it quietly on my way back home. It's not like I'm falling fast. It's not like I'm losing control. Just something slowly growing that I'm starting to hold. Maybe I like you just a little more than I should. In the way I think of you more than I thought I would. Maybe I like you in a soft and quiet way. Nothing big, nothing loud, but it won't go away. If you ask me, I might smile and say it's nothing much, but I think you'd hear it in the way I speak. Too soft, not a rush, not a spark, not a sudden kind of start. Just something gently finding a place inside my heart. Maybe I like you more than I let it seem. In the quiet in between, you keep showing up in me. Maybe I like you in a way I can't explain. Not too much, not too fast, but it's here to stay. Maybe I like you. Maybe I like you. Steam rising from a porcelain cup. Sunlight dancing as the world wakes up. Pages turning, stories unfold. Lost in the moment, letting time slow. Soft jazz plays in the air, fingers tracing patterns there. Nothing rushed, nothing planned, just a quiet place to land. Coffee and daydreams, slow afternoons. Smiling at strangers, humming a tune. No need for words, no need for time. Just the warmth of your hand in mine. Raindrops tapping on the cafe glass. Watching people as they walk on past. Footsteps fading, stories untold. Wrapped in the hush of the world below. Soft jazz plays in the air, fingers tracing patterns there. Nothing rushed, nothing planned, just a quiet place to land. Coffee and daydreams, slow afternoons. Smiling at strangers, humming a tune. No need for words, no need for time. Just the warmth of your hand in mine. Maybe we'll stay until the lights grow dim. Sip one more cup before we give in. Let the night take us wherever it flows, wherever it goes. Nobody knows. Coffee and daydreams, slow afternoons. Smiling at strangers, humming a tune. No need for words, no need for time. Just the warmth of your hand in mine. Steam rising from a porcelain cup. In this moment, it's just enough. In the quiet hours of early morn, a soft melody begins to form. Your smile lingers like a whispered tune in the hush of a waking afternoon. Every glance sparks a tender light, illuminating dreams in the gentle night. I pen these words with all